If you are an independent artist, you definitely want to be looking at multiple revenue streams to grow your business. And one of my favorite things to look at when it comes to revenue streams is NFTs and the crypto space, a topic I admittedly have kind of fallen off of talking about on this channel. But today we're going to change all that. Today we're going to look at 3 different platforms that I think you should check out if you are an artist, musician, or simply an artistic creator of some sort looking to sell your own NFTs. Now, if you're new here, my name's Tom, and on this channel we talk about music marketing, branding, business, and a whole host of other stuff, including NFTs, that's going to help us move from making music as a hobby to making music as a business. So today we're going to talk about 3 different platforms that I think you should check out if you're interested in selling NFTs of anything, whether it's your music, video, gifts, anything you can think of that you want to sell as your own creative work in the form of an NFT. Now, if you're unfamiliar, as an aside, NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it's a way to transact digital scarcity on the blockchain. If you ever heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything like that, this is kind of that space. So let's talk about the 3 platforms that you should check out if you want to sell your own NFTs as a musician. All right, number 1, the OG, OpenSea. Now, obviously, I'm going to lead off with this one. OpenSea is the kind of original NFT platform. It was founded in 2017 and to date has done over $500 million in volume of NFT sales on the platform, which is just a staggering number. And the cool thing about OpenSea is you can sell pretty much anything as an NFT on there. Sell your songs, you can sell videos of your songs, you can sell GIFs, you can sell still images, kind of whatever you can think of, you can figure out a way to sell it on there. What's really cool about it is they have this process called lazy minting, which means if you want to sell your NFT on there, they don't actually mint it to the blockchain until you actually sell it. So it's a lot cheaper to create a catalog of stuff you want to offer without having to actually pay gas fees every single time you make something. Now, one of the drawbacks to the platform is that because it's so accessible, it does have a ton of users. In fact, as of making this video, they claim to have over 119,000 users with 674.3 thousand collections and 26 million NFTs on the platform. Obviously, there's a lot of competition. Obviously, there's a lot of noise on this platform, and you're going to have to work to get your collection seen or even sell anything. If you've watched my previous videos on NFTs, you'll know I'm a fan of this platform. In fact, I already have a collection on here. I have a bunch of trading cards I've made for all of my releases thus far that you can go check out if you want to. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. So obviously I'm a fan of OpenSea. If you're gonna start anywhere, I would say this is the one to start with. Number 2, a platform called Foundation. Now, Foundation is relatively new. It was only founded in February of 2021. But in that short period of time from February 2021 to what is it now, July 2021, they've done over $45 million in volume of selling NFTs on the platform. And one of the coolest things about this platform is that it's got a more community-driven approach to it. To get onto the platform, you either have to have an invitation or get enough community upvotes to be able to sell anything. Now, if you're just buying, you can get onto the platform and start buying away. But if you want to be a seller, you have to go through one of 2 processes, which is the getting invited or getting upvoted so you can start. But the cool thing about this is that it's got kind of a better workflow to it. It's got a great search feature, and it's already loaded with tons of cool creators that kind of make this more of like a hip, cool, fresh environment to start selling your stuff on. So if OpenSea is kind of like the eBay of selling NFTs, then Foundation is more like the boutique shop of selling NFTs. So it's got kind of a vibe to it, and it's definitely worth checking out. The big drawback to it is that you can't just start selling on there immediately. But I do recommend going and at least creating an account. I already went and created a profile and have filled everything out except for the Twitter verification, obviously, and have started to hopefully collect some upvotes so that eventually I will get added to be able to sell things on the platform. So if you want to check it out, if you want to get added so you can sell things on it, just go make a profile, sign in with your wallet, fill everything out, do all the stuff, tell people about it, and hopefully you'll get added and be able to use the platform as a creator. And platform number 3. Now this one's coming out of left field a little bit. because this platform is brand new. And the thing I like most about this platform is that it's geared toward musicians specifically. It's a platform called NFT FM. This platform is geared specifically for musicians. It's all about selling music. And one of the coolest things they have is a built-in audio player that is more native than all of the other NFT platforms out there. In fact, this whole site is kind of designed to be a bit of a behind the scenes fan club experience for both the artist and whoever's buying the NFTs. They've set it up to create an exclusive environment as an artist to sell unreleased music to your fans, to sell pre-releases to your fans. If you want to send your fans down a journey of checking out demos that you are working on before you release them, you can do that here. Like I said, it's very new. So if there's a drawback to it, it's that it's not tested and proven yet. But I definitely think it is a platform worth keeping an eye on if you're an artist and you want to sell your NFTs. At the very least, you can go check it out. You can get in contact with them. You can join the conversation. And you can even buy some of their own native token, which is the vinyl token, and that will give you the option to kind of vote on the future of the platform, which I think is a very exciting opportunity as well. So those are the 3 platforms I think you should check out first if you're trying to sell NFTs. Obviously, there are a lot of platforms out there, and obviously I skipped some that probably could have been added to this list quite easily. Rarible and Zora, Block Party, all great things with great attributes to them, but I wanted to keep this list short and concise to just the 3 that I wanted to talk about for this video pretty much. If you have sold NFTs on any of these platforms, definitely let me know in the comments. I would love to hear how your experience went. If you want to hear me talk about some different platforms that I didn't mention in this video, if you want me to do a follow-up, let me know about that in the comments as well. And then lastly, before I let you go, if you don't subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will leave some links to some other NFT videos at the end here. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.